Alright guys, Mr. Catlin here with a little more help on your digits homework, and I wanted to look at homework 5-2, number 6. We've had some people miss that one, so thought we'd look at it and try to get you helped out. Farmer has 120 bushels of apples to sell. The roadside stand, she sells an average of 16 and 5/8 bushels every day. And we want to represent the total change in the number of bushels she has for sale after 5 days. So they sell this many every 1 day, and we want to know how many are sold after 5, when we should know that we need to multiply those two numbers. So we're going to multiply 16 and 5/8 by 5. And we do not want to leave that as a whole number. We want to change that and make it improper. So we write 5/1. Pretty easy stuff. Now this one is a little tough because we have to multiply some large numbers here to get this into an improper fraction format, and I think that's what's throwing some of us off. We're just making minor mistakes with our multiplication. 6 times 8 is 48. Curry fur. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. So 128. When I multiply these two guys and then add the extra 5, it's going to give me 133/8 multiplied by 5/1. Unfortunately, we do not have any diagonals that we can reduce here, so yes, you do have to multiply 133 times 5. Maybe your problem won't have as difficult as numbers as mine does, but this is not that difficult to multiply here. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 16. Carry your 1. 5 times 1 is 1. And we get 665 over 8. And over here, if you look at what it wants for the answer, it says type an integer, proper fraction, or a mixed number. This is not proper, so we have to divide this sucker out. 8 going into the 665 over here. And 8 will go into 66 8 times with a remainder of 2. And then we drop down our 5. And 8 will go into 25 3 times with a remainder of 1. And 83 and 1/8 is our answer. That's what we need to type in right here, but you gotta be careful with this one because it says the total change in the number of bushels, and since they're selling those, this is going to be a negative because essentially they're losing those 16 and 5/8 every day. So you want to type in negative 83 and 1/8 into that box. Your numbers will be different, so don't just try to type in the answer that I got in yours. That's not going to work for you. So hope this is helpful. Work it out. All you got to do is multiply that number by the number of days, and you should get the answer. Don't forget to make it negative because they're selling those apples. See you guys.